In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for projects on GitHub. Navigating GitHub effectively can open doors to a wealth of open source projects and innovative ideas ready for exploration. Whether you're a seasoned developer, coding enthusiast, or just getting started, knowing how to find the right projects is essential. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your GitHub account. This might seem obvious, but being logged in will allow you to interact with repositories more fully, like starting projects or even contributing to them. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is simple and free. And trust me, having an account is definitely worthwhile as you dive into the world of coding collaborations and open source contributions. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar located right at the top of the web page. This search bar is your gateway to finding a multitude of resources. Using it effectively requires knowing what you're looking for, so take a moment to think about the keywords that best describe your project of interest. Are you interested in building a portfolio website, diving into the exciting realm of machine learning with Python, or perhaps creating an Android chat application? These are just examples, but they illustrate how specific or broad your search terms can be, depending on what you have in mind. After entering your chosen keywords into the search bar, press Enter. GitHub's powerful search engine will then present you with a comprehensive list of search results that match your criteria. It's akin to a treasure hunt where your keywords are the treasure map leading you to repositories, developers, issues, and more, all relevant to your interests. This list is your playground. You'll find not just repositories where the code lives, but also users who have expertise in the area you're interested in, as well as discussions or issues that might shine a light on challenges or innovations happening within a specific field. When reviewing the search results, take your time to explore. You can click on repositories to learn more about the projects, view documentation, and understand the contributions of different developers. This exploration can be enriching, providing you with the insight to learn from others' code, contribute contributions to projects of interest, and even brainstorm your own project ideas. In summary, searching for projects on GitHub is straightforward yet incredibly powerful. It all starts with logging in, making good use of the search bar, and choosing the right keywords to guide your exploration. Pressing Enter unleashes a world of possibilities, with each search result offering potential learning and collaboration opportunities. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to discovering projects that resonate with your interests and honing your skills through real-world coding experiences.